Hello crafters, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome back if you're a subscriber. Today I want to share with you the new Made to Make kit. This is the second of 4 kits and I'm so excited to share this one with you. So I'm going to move you down to the table now so we can have a look and see what it comes in the Made to Make kit. So if you are a subscriber, your kit will arrive in a box like this one. Mine had my address, etc. on it, and that's on the back side, so I'm not going to show you that. And then inside you will have this box, and your kit will all come inside this box. So when you open it and you take out the products, you will get inside a booklet, you will get a die set, a stencil set, you'll get some stamps, and you'll get pattern paper. Now the pattern paper will come inside the box just like this, but all these products will come in a cellophane bag, so they're all kept together inside this box. So I just wanted to make that clear to everyone. You'll also get a lovely booklet. There's a chat with Sam in there, as well as lots of inspiration, and we'll have a look at that towards the end. So the first thing I want to look at is the pattern paper. We get 16 sheets of pattern paper. They are double-sided, which is a pity because I do like single-sided. It's kind of hard when you've got 2 patterns on one sheet and you're pulled between which one you're going to use. What I do is I scan my pages in, and that way then if I want extra pages I can just print them out as well, and that's handy as well when you have sentiments. I'm not too sure what the angel policy on that is, but I don't sell my cards. Usually it's just family and friends that will come and get a card from me, so it's not a problem. I think the angel policy on a lot of this is you can make so many. But again, you'd have to check on Craftworld what the angel policy is. So we get 16 pages and we get 2 of each. We get 2 pages which have fabulous sentiments on them. And the sentiments range from today is all about you, to love you to the beach and back, live for blue skies and sunny days, in every grain of sand there's a story, time to relax, happy retirement, sun, sea and sand. You can see there's lots of sentiments on them. We get these strips as well at the top and bottom, which we can use, as well as lovely seaside images. So we've got our shells, our anchor, starfish, etc. So on the back side of these then we have 2 sheets of pattern paper. I love these. This one is my favorite. I just love the colors and everything in them. So that's those 2. Now, as for the rest of them, so if I go through 8, then the next 8 will be all the same again. So we've got these lovely lighthouses, we've got life buoys, anchors and sea. I hope you can see that okay. And then on the other side we have a lovely water scene. We have this one with shells, and on the other side we have these waves. We have lovely starfish, and I love the color palette. That's very made to surprise color palette that's here. We have yellow with white dots on it. We have another water image. It's like reflections through water, and on the back then we have another one. This again is reminiscent of water. We have this lovely one with anchors and shells and sea fish. I love the teals and red, or it's more of a coral red than a red. And on the other side we have sand. Very cool. And then we have this lovely, it's kind of like gingham, but not. And then on the other side, again, this is like water. So again, we have another 8 sheets, and it's the same things repeated again there on those. So that's our paper, and these are paper I'd say they're probably 120 GSM. They're not very heavy, but perfect for our cards, etc. So we have a lovely die set, and this die set will die cut out a lighthouse for us. I just want to see what the measurement. So we'll check the measurement. Our lighthouse is going to be in height. So it's about 4 3/4 high, and at the widest, it's just under 2.5 inches wide. So a really lovely size lighthouse, and you have all the bits here. Now, you could just die cut out the main piece, this one here, and then you could use the stencil. We get 2 stencils. So this stencil here, this will go over your lighthouse, and you can ink blend on your colors, etc. on that if you wanted, using the stencil. And then the second stencil, these are A6 layering stencils. We have cloud images, birds, we have the light from our lighthouse, we have a lovely sunrise or sunset with water. We have, I think you could use these as clouds, but I think they're meant to be your background hills or mountains. This one here is the surf or the water, you know, and then splashes and probably more water, or you could use this for your sand as well. So really fun stencil set. And then our stamp set is a nice big one. Our stamp set measures, let's see, it is 7 inches by nearly 9.5. So it's a nice big stamp set. We have a cloud, a kite, a couple of ice creams. We have our pier. We have a surfboard, our little sea hut, deck chair, sand castle. We've got ice cream and shells. I love this little one of the birds, distant birds. I normally do those freehand, so it's nice to have that little stamp. You've got some bunting, a little puffin, love him. We've got a crab, a seagull, a starfish, and a nice shell there as well. So lots. I love the ice creams because one is a cone. You see it there with the 99 or our chocolate flake in there. And the other one is our ice cream scoops. So 2 different kind of ice creams. And the sentiments in this are: live for blue skies and sunny days. I hope your birthday is filled with sunshine. Love you to the beach and back. That's fun. You light up my life. Sandy toes and salty kisses. In every grain of sand, there's a story, and sun, sea, sand. So they are all the products that come in this fab made to make kit. We have our lovely little booklet here. And if you have a look inside the booklet, it will give you a list of what's inside your box. So always check that what's in the kit is actually what's in your box. And if you have any problems, you can always contact Craftworld if you have any issues with that. So there's lots of inspiration inside. The lovely Gemma Brown, who has a YouTube channel. I'm not too sure if she's sharing very much these days, but she has some fab inspiration in the booklet. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we have Sam, and she has lots of inspiration here as well. And there are QR codes that you can click on and will bring up some videos for you. And then we have Monica, but I'm not going to go into any more of the inspiration because as a subscriber, I know the fun part is sitting down and looking at all the lovely cards and being inspired by them. So I'm going to leave it here. If you have enjoyed my video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. That way you'll be notified when I post new videos, and ding the bell so you don't miss out. I'm going on holidays. I'm taking a little break for a week. So yeah, watch this space, but I will, once I'm back, I'll have a good couple of tutorials coming up using this kit, because it seems like fun. And I think this kit is going to be great for making masculine cards, and of those I need a couple in my stash, so I'm looking forward to making with them. So that's it. I hope you've enjoyed my video, and until next time, I'll see you again real soon. Bye for now. Bye-bye.